Buenas tardes a todos, espero que estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre algunas cosas importantes para esta semana. Primero vamos a ver lo que ustedes tienen que entregar para esta semana. Ya estamos en la semana 3. Aquí semana 3 con el capítulo 7 a comer. Y en esta semana vamos a repasar gramática. ¿Ok? Vemos aquí que para el miércoles, ustedes tienen que hacer el Learn Smart de capítulo 7 en Connect. También tienen que ver los tutoriales de gramática que también están en Connect. El domingo tienen que hacer el PreQuiz individual y las tareas, todas estos ejercicios, las asignaturas tienen que hacer por Connect. ¿Bien? Ok. Seguimos con esto en el course content. So I know that some of you had some issues because Blackboard was telling you that you didn't turn in the intro video or the comments intro video. And this is just because I cannot link this with VoiceThread. So it tells you that you haven't done it, but remember the intro video as well as the comments, I will be updating those grades manually, so you don't need to worry about those, okay? It's okay if Blackboard says that. You can go down further on our Course Connect to start your Learn Smarts or the tareas and the pre-quiz that we have coming up. I'm going to go to our Connect class, and I'm going to go to Student View. Okay. So remember, you do have access to everything here from the Student View. When you look for the tutorials, they're going to be here under the recorded lectures. Up here you have the textbook. So we're going to be going into now the Learn Smart, which is the same thing as you had done before previously. We're also doing the grammar for chapter 7 and then the pre-quiz. That's going to be due, these two, the tareas and the pre-quiz are going to be due on Sunday. So we're just going to kind of check through the tareas that you have. It's a total of 23 questions for this specific one, worth 230 points. It gives you the due date and tells you that you do have 2 attempts to complete it. Okay. So, for the grammar, you can always access the ebook. You can print these resources. You can watch the recorded lectures that I'm going to post, which are the grammar tutorials. But this one is going over a little bit for you. It teaches you along as you go, right? So in this one, it's telling you that for the yo form, you use me. For the tú form, te. Usted, él, usted, ella, pues usted, él, lo, usted, ella, la, nosotros, nosotras, nos, vosotros, vosotras, os, ustedes, ellos, los, ustedes, ellas, las, right? It gives them to you. And then you'll go through and you will see what do you need to use with this, right? And it gives you the different options here. So, conozco una persona famosa. Oh, so in this case, we're using prepositions, right? So it says a, la, al, el, a las, a los, okay? So you were using the prepositions with this. So it says conozco una persona famosa. So we remember that when we're talking about people, you have to use the a personal. So conozco or I know New York City. But in Spanish, you would say the city of New York, la ciudad de Nueva York. In this case, el estado de Montana, because ciudad is feminine, estado is masculine, so that's why you will use the feminine singular, because this is feminine singular, this is masculine singular, because this is masculine singular. Okay, so you can here check your work, you make sure you got it right here. I don't know how often you can use the check my work, so make sure to only use it for things that you have a lot of questions about. So let's go on to some different sections. I'm trying to see if you guys have any videos in this section, because with the videos, I want you to use the closed captioning. I'm just going to quickly go through because it's going to be, these pages are different each time they randomize. So I don't know which is going to be which until I look at it. So perdón, I just wanted to check and see if you guys have videos in this one or in an upcoming section, just so I can show you how to use the closed captioning. A lo mejor está aquí. No, this is a receta. Okay, and notice too that you have some recordings up here to help you to play. That helps you go through these. Creo que no. Yeah, I don't think you have any in here. But then I will look through to make sure. But when you do have a video, make sure that you use the closed captioning. Okay, so we'll exit the assignment. And when you're doing the quiz, the individual quiz that we first have coming up, remember you do this by yourself. This is to help you when we begin the quizzes coming up. Those quizzes that you are going to be doing later on in the semester, you'll complete with a partner. This one is individual. This is just to help prepare you. So this is like a homework assignment to help prepare you to understand how to use this, okay? So you'll go through the different steps. Preferencias gastronómicas. So we're talking about food. You'll answer the question. So you'll write your sentences here. And then what you will do is you will discuss your preferences here. Okay, so you will go to make a video. I believe it is in here. Oh no, this is just what I can see. A lo mejor es más abajo. Here we go. So this is what you can see. So you'll go to start assignment. You'll put a title to it, whatever you want to put your name, or did you want to put individual quiz, your name here. In case this is me, so I'm going to choose my name, and then you'll upload. Okay. You will go here to, oh, I don't know if it's going to let me do one right now just because I am recording the screen, but you will record your video in there and you'll save it. Okay. And that's what you'll be doing for this exercise. So if you do have any questions about any of these, please reach out to me and let me know.